As you can see, it's a very simple setup. Just a handful of pieces, the side walls, the 8-foot uprights in fabric, easy to set up and take down. Every pin that comes with your base has a screw at the bottom. You're going to undo the screw. There are multiple locations to set up your pins so that you can use different uprights if you need to, but we're going to use the center on each of these. You put the screw through one side, hold it in place, and then you're just going to turn to the right. Make sure you get a nice tight fit. Now, because the bases come with this stacking slot here, you can leave the pins in permanently and they stack inside each other for easy storage. So in order to properly line up your trade show booth, you're going to want to use your drape support as a line keeper in order to have proper spacing. You use the button stops to extend to the height that you need. And you line it up middle to middle so that you know that your spacing is correct. Our third step is using our 8-foot fixed upright to begin the pieces of our back wall. You're going to slip it over the pin on both sides. Our fourth step of our trade show booth is our simple 3-foot uprights that we're going to add to the front wall. Our next step, we're ready to hang the drape, IFR 48-inch wide banjo trade show material. So each of our drapes have a top and bottom 4-inch pocket. We're going to open it up and slip it over the drape support and start to bring all of our panels on. With banjo, you need 4 panels per 10 feet across. So once we have all 4 panels on our drape support, it's okay if they touch the floor a little bit at first when you're hanging it up. They're all machine washable fabrics. You're going to hook it into the slot. There we go. Now that you have your drape hooked on, now you just have to spread it out. All right, now we're ready to set up our sidewalls. So you're going to use the same method you did before. Use your drape supports to line up your booth. Next, we're ready to do our sidewall drape. With sidewall drape, you can actually get away with 3 per 10 feet down here, as opposed to 4 on the back wall. And just like last time, we're hooking the drape supports into the upright. This is a 3-foot slot, allowing you to create your booth pre-punched in factory. That's it. That completes your trade show booth. You're now ready to get started advertising your products or services. There's a lot of really great designs with pipe and drape. This is base camp. Once you get this, I promise you can do the rest.